Good morning.
Good morning.
It's March the 26th and it's a city derby against Nations FC, a side that we are yet to beat since their promotion into the Premier League. From the backdrop of a defeat from Tamale, how does it pan out for you in terms of preparation ahead of this encounter?
Yeah, I think preparation has been very, very high since last week. We played a friendly match and then we came back, started training on yesterday, Tuesday. And we've done a lot that we are trying to prepare the boys that we need to win and win badly. So with the boys, their mentality and everything have shifted. I've seen that they are all even together, talking to each other. How can we do it? You know, some of them are even approaching me, telling me this game is a win game. So it looks very good.
Every weekend feels like an opportunity for us to close the gap.
Right.
But in the same vein, we keep dropping points.
Right.
How disappointing is it for you? Because the fans are very frustrated.
Yeah, I think it's not just me alone. It's the entire team and then the fans as well. But me, luckily for me, those who are ahead of us too are not moving. They are also still just matching time in the same place where they are. So it's just for us to win, and then when we win, we'll move some points high, and then get closer to them as well.
A lot of the fans have given up already, and I know the mood on Sunday will not be as expected in previous games. What would be your word to the fans who have given up?
Yeah, I don't blame them for giving up and everything, but that I still want to tell them that there's hope, and then we are ready to change things around. Where we are in the league, that's not where we're going to end up being. We're going to be coming up, and so they should be with us till we get up there, so we'll all be happy together.
The last game saw two of your players receiving 2 red cards. How is it affecting your plan for the game, and do you feel disappointed to lose those balls?
I think football, it happens. Injury can come in and then take some of them out. And how are we prepared to replace anybody if someone is out? We've done that, and we are ready for the game on Sunday. I'm not disappointed at all about those guys who are going out. Those who are coming in are also equally good.
Are we having any fresh injury concerns?
No, as of now, I think it's Lord's injury that's up, but the rest, everything is okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.